The National Women's Premier League game between Gully and Veer United was called off prematurely on Saturday after Gully was unable to field the requisite number of players for the tie. This after 3 Gully players were seriously affected by Friday's shooting incident in a supermarket in Porus, during which 2 people were killed. The players were in the supermarket when the crime took place. One of the players was grazed by a bullet, another narrowly escaped being shot, and the other was traumatized by the incident, with all 3 missing Saturday's game. This resulted in Gully being able to field only 8 players for their match at Brooks Park. Things got worse for the Manchester-based team when their goalkeeper and an outfield player were forced to leave the field due to injury, leaving 1 fewer player than the stipulated 7 required to constitute a team. The game was blown off with 20 minutes remaining and Veer leading 8-0, with all goals coming in the first half. Tashika Hamilton preened herself with a hat-trick in the 17th, 28th and 39th minutes. She was supported by Marika Howard with a brace in minutes 45+ and 45+4. Dela White and Siona Taylor were the other scorers.
Fortune and the unavoidable condition of the team. Nevertheless, we came here to get the 3 points and to be injury-free, score as many goals as we can, and we did just that.
All the rest of players got devastated, didn't turn up today, so we had to play with who came today. We picked up 2 injuries in the game, so we had no choice but to forfeit.